On posluša občinstvo. Vieux Farka Touré je samosvoj glasbenik, ki svojim energičnim nastopom v živo prepriča še tako zahtevne poslušalce. Nekateri so mu nadeli vzdevek saharski Jimi Hendrix. Sam pa ostaja skromen in pravi, da le opravlja svoje delo.
But I'm just play what I play, It's, I would like just to do good my job, to do what is my style, just like grow up this style to be, it's mine, so it's good.
Je sin enega najboljših kitaristov vseh časov, Alija Farke Touréja. A pri ustvarjanju glasbe se ne zgleduje toliko po očetu. V glasbi želi pustiti svoj pečat.
I think it's maybe better to have mine and make my music, my own music. I play some stuff of my father, but I would like always to do mine. If you hear the music, you say, oh, this is Vieux Farka Touré. This is what I want. So this is what I do.
Želi biti drugačen. Njegova glasba je mešanica preteklosti in prihodnosti.
Because I'm playing some reggae, I'm playing some rock and roll, some traditional music, some blues, It's like I'm playing everything. I like to do this kind of things, Sometimes if I feel like the traditional music, I play with the calabash. It's very traditional music with the guitar acoustic, everything. Sometimes, it's when it's like very young guys, in the front of me and they want like to dancing, let's go, something roots, give them something they have, make them happy. It's just like a feeling. Yeah, I want to just to follow the feeling what I'm seeing, when I'm playing.
Dar, da začuti občinstvo in razbere, kaj jim je všeč, je razlog, da je vsak njegov koncert edinstven.
If you are a musician, you have to work with the audience. Maybe it's many musicians when they come, they just stop, they play what they do what they're doing in the album. For me, it's not like this. When I come somewhere, I want to see, okay, when I play the first song, second song, I want to see a little bit what feeling they're gonna follow. So I just follow this feeling they like.
V njegovem zadnjem albumu Samba, ki je izšel aprila letos, so želeli ujeti duh nastopanja v živo. V studio so povabili ljudi in povsem spontano posneli celoten album.
My manager just comes to me and says, wow, you have like this energy. Maybe the second album you're gonna make like live album. I say, okay, it's how it's coming. So for this album, because I need to have like this energy, to make sure like to put this energy in the album, to share with the people, with the audience, with the fans. So I say, okay, it's maybe better to do this album in live. So we do it with the people, sit down, we just stop like concert and we're doing the album. And I'm very happy with this album because when I'm here, I feel, this energy in the album. I love to have this kind of things.
Glasba ga spremlja že od nekdaj. Svojo pot je začel kot tolkalec in šele kasneje se je naučil igranja na kitaro. Prav zato je njegov slog igranja zelo ritmičen in zapleten.
I'm just love to doing music. I love to give some good time for the people. The music's like life. It's what you say, no music, no life. Anything you do, when you are working, you put little music and you're good. You work all the day. You're doing the jogging, it's a music. You're eating, it's a music. Everything you like to do, it's white music. So the music is the most important things in the world, Maybe some people don't know, but it's the most important things. It's music. It's very important. So for me, I think it's not... when I play the music, when I make the people happy, I'm happy too. It's just for them. It's also for me, They make me happy, so it's like life, the music.
In svojo glasbo je življenje vdahnil tudi med blejsko občinstvo.
Jaz sem že cel teden čakal na ta koncert, tako da sem užival. Se mi zdi vrhunski glasbenik, pa tudi dober je spravil ljudi do plesa in tako naprej.
Odličen, mene spominja na Jimija Hendrixa, tako da tak lep dogodek in seveda virtuoznost na višku, a afriški ritmi in vzdušje je krasno.
Pa vam?
Najbolj.
Kratko in jedrnato, pa vi?
Karina je tako, kot ženska, bolj je stara, boljša je. Letos je bilo res veliko zelo dobrih koncertov, nepozabnih.
Meni je bilo zelo dobro.
Odličen, prekratek.
Malijski virtuoz je na zahtevo občinstva na oder prišel še dvakrat, na koncu pa se je poslovil z umirjeno ljubezensko skladbo.
Thank you. Good night. Thank you.